How to get cash back for your online purchases. So, an app that I've been using and a legitimate app and a very high rated app is TopCashback. Now, I've been using this for the last couple of years. So, if we open it up onto the main homepage here, as you can see, there is some of the biggest high street retailers and also some of the biggest online retailers as well. We've got travel, we've got, different brands here and also clothing brands that you can look at. But essentially, what you do is if you're going to make a purchase online, so for example, from Currys, right, you will go to Currys and you'll see the cashback offers and the percentages that they do offer. And let's just say that I want to buy a LG TV. What I will do is I will buy that LG TV as normal, but I will then buy it through Top Cashback, which will give me a 12% cashback offer on my purchase. So if I buy an LG TV for £500, for example, I'm basically getting back free money from doing that purchase, which I was going to do anyway. So if you're interested in Top Cashback, guys, you can sign up through my link in the description, and you will also get a sign up bonus when you sign up through that link. So it's just that simple, guys. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If I know the answer, I will be sure to reply. And I hope you can take advantage of Top Cashback when you are doing your regular shopping online.